Hello, in today's video, I will be showing you how you can formulate any skincare product like a professional formulator. My name is Choma. I am a natural product formulator, and on this channel, I want to teach you how to formulate from home and how you can make any skincare or hair care product in the comfort of your home. I am super excited for today's video because I will be showing you, this will be my first video on this channel where I'll be showing you how to formulate a skincare product. And guess what? Today I'll be showing you how to formulate an unscented hemp seed whipped butter for sensitive and acne prone skin. So this butter can be used on the face for anyone who has sensitive skin or acne prone skin. The reason why I'm choosing to make this product unscented is because some sensitive and acne prone skin can react to different scents. So to be on the safe side, it is good that we keep this face butter unscented. We are going to be using only 4 ingredients to formulate this face butter. And the ingredients are hemp seed oil, shea butter, cocoon butter, and vitamin E oil. 3 of the main ingredients in this product are non-comedogenic, meaning they will not clog the pores of people who have acne prone skin. So they are the perfect butter and oil to use for this product. The vitamin E that we are going to be adding to this product is to keep the product from going rancid. So the function of the vitamin E that will be added to this product is to extend the shelf life of our skincare product. Another thing that I want you to know about vitamin E is that it can be comedogenic, meaning that it can clog pores. So if you're adding it to any product that you are making for sensitive skin or acne prone skin individuals, I recommend that you use it at a very small amount so that it doesn't cause breakouts for those individuals. When it comes to formulation, the number one thing I want you to know is this: that all the measurements you're going to be using in your formulation has to be done in grams. Yes, grams. Not teaspoon or tablespoon, not even ounces or pounds. Every measurement has to be done in grams. And the second important thing that I want you to know is this: that formulation has to do with percentage. So in elementary school math, we know that percentage has to do with 100. So you have to make sure that all the ingredients that you are going to be adding to your product must equal 100 grams. So whatever amount you are choosing for each ingredient, when you add the total amount of those ingredients, they must equal 100. If I'm making sense, I want you to like this video, and if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. So now let's move over to the computer and I will show you how to formulate this unscented hemp seed butter for sensitive and acne prone skin. If you look at the screen, I have listed all the ingredients that will be in this product. So we have hemp seed oil, shea butter, cocoon butter, and vitamin E oil. As a formulator, you get to decide how much of each ingredient you will like in your product. Since you're the formulator, you get to decide how you want your product to be. And the way I'm going to formulate this product today might not be the way you would do it for yourself. Okay, so for hemp seed oil, let's say that I want my hemp seed oil to be let's say 20 grams. 20 grams. And shea butter, we want shea butter to be higher than hemp seed oil. So let's say shea butter, we want it to be at maybe 40 grams. Okay. When we add the amount of shea butter and the amount of hemp seed oil, so it's 40 plus 20 is giving us 60 grams. 100 minus 60 is equal to 40. So we have 40 grams remaining to apportion to cocoa butter and to vitamin E oil. Okay, so cocoa butter, we can decide that we want cocoa butter to be maybe at 38 grams. Okay, let's do this math one more time. Formulation has to do with doing math problems. So, but it's very easy math, so don't get scared. So 20 plus 40 is 60, and 60 plus 38 is 98, I believe. All right. So, but we don't want 2 whole grams to go to vitamin E oil because that would be a lot. We only want either zero point 0.1 or zero point 0.2 grams for vitamin E oil. We just want a tiny bit. That will go a long way. So maybe we can do cocoa butter. We can change it to maybe 32 and give hemp seed oil. So we have a total of 20 plus 40, 60, so 92. We have 8 more left. We can give this, make it 27.5. Okay. We don't want 27. We want 27.8. Okay. Now let's check our math to see if, okay, and then this would be 0. The vitamin E would be 0.2. Now let's check our math to see if everything adds up to be 100. Yay! You see how all the ingredients adds up to 100. You can even switch it up. We can decide that maybe we want cocoa butter to be 27.8 and then hemp seed oil can be 32. You can do that too because I really like hemp seed oil. It's really good for my skin. 32. And then this can be 27.8. Okay, this is our formulation. Do you see how easy this is? So our formulation is this: 32 grams of hemp seed oil, shea butter will be 40 grams, cocoa butter 27.8 grams, and vitamin E oil zero point 0.2 grams. You take this batch and you make it, and then you test it on your skin. You get a feel for it. You see how easily it is absorbed into the skin and everything. And as a formulator, you decide whether you are comfortable, whether you are fine with the result of this product. If you're not, maybe the product turned out to be too hard, you can increase, then you can come back and change the formula and increase the hemp seed oil. Or maybe this formula gave you a product that is too soft and you don't like the softness of it. You can come back and decrease the amount of hemp seed oil that you have in the formulation. So this is very easy. Now, let's say we want to make a bigger batch. Okay, let's say we want to make this and share it with a lot of friends or family members. We can say, oh, why don't we do one 10 times this? So 10 times this will be 10 times 100 is 1,000. So we want 1,000 grams of our product. Now we have to multiply all these values by 10. So 32 times 10, we will need 300 grams. 40 times 10, we will need 400 grams. 27.8 times 10, we will need 278 grams. And then 2 times 0.2 times 10, we know it's just 2 grams. And this should equal 1,000. Let's see. Yay! We did it. It's equal to 1,000. So you can also decide that I'm making this skincare product for myself and I think 100 grams might be too much for me. I think I want a smaller batch. So you can turn this 100 and decide that you want half of the 100. So half of 100 grams is 50 grams. So now we're making a batch for 60 grams, a total of 50 grams. So now we're taking half of each value here. So half of 32 will give us 16 because 16 times 2 is this. Half of 40 is 20. Half of 27.8. Now I have to look for my calculator for that. I have to look for half of okay. Let me look for calculator over here. I'm gonna do calculator. 27.8 times, divided. Twenty-seven point eight divided by 2. 13.9. So we have, for this one, will be 13.9. And half of 0.2 will be 0.1. Okay, let's see what we have, whether everything is equal to 50 grams. I hope it is. Yay! Everything equals 50 grams. So this is how to formulate for different types of products. You can scale your batch up or you can scale it down. I hope this video has taught you how to formulate different kinds of products. I hope this video has taught you how to formulate. You can use this method to formulate any product, whether skincare or hair care product, no matter how many ingredients you have in that product. So now that you have learned how to formulate a skincare product, I want you to go ahead and formulate any recipe that you want to make, whether it is for your body or whether it is for your face. Go ahead and practice. Practice using different kinds of butters, different kinds of oils. You can even formulate a massage oil using oils like sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, maybe some castor oils, And another thing that I'll suggest is for you to go on Amazon and purchase some of these oils so that as you're formulating these recipes, you can also try them out and get a feel of how your formulation is. And don't worry, I'll be showing you how to make these products on this channel. And so if you have any skincare product that you would want me to show you how to make on this channel, I want you to go ahead and comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video this far, and I hope that you will continue to watch these videos so that you can formulate any skincare or hair care product like a pro in the comfort of your home. I will see you in my next video. God bless you, and I want you to know that Jesus loves you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.